Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting your original. Duplicate the background layer so you can always revert. Next, choose the Object Selection or Quick Selection tool and drag across your subject to capture most of the outline. This gives you an initial mask quickly. Once you have that rough selection, make a layer mask immediately so you can non-destructively refine. Make sure to hide complex hair areas for later and increase brush size for broad areas, because that speeds up the next steps. Once done with a rough mask, open Select and Mask to handle tricky transitions like hair or semi-transparent fabric. You'll want to toggle view modes on black or white to better see stray pixels. Use the Refine Edge brush along wisps of hair, then apply slight smooth and a fraction of feather to remove harsh cut lines. Make sure to shift edge slightly inward or outward depending on fringing, and set output to layer mask so you can paint corrections non-destructively afterward. You finish by inserting the replacement background beneath your mask subject and adjusting scale and perspective for realism. To make the subject feel integrated, use curves and color match to align tones and add a slight Gaussian blur or grain on the background if depth of field requires it. If a halo or color fringe remains, contract the selection by 1 or 2 pixels and manually paint the mask with a soft 100% black or white brush. Decontaminate colors in Select and Mask.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.